The Soap Serigne Saliou Foundation was founded in October 2018 by some young motivated people who have a common goal, which is continuing the legacy of Serigne Saliou. Their first meeting was held at Keur Massar. There were only 10 people, so they opened a WhatsApp group and called it Foundation Sope Serigne Saliou. As time goes, people from different states in Senegal like Thiès, Mbour, and Touba started to join, and also people from countries like France and Italy. 4 months after the creation of the foundation, we went to see Serigne Cheikh Saliou to get his benediction. We talked with him and got some advice from him. We don't take any decisions without his consent. Every August, all the members of the foundation go to Touba for a ziyar to Serigne Cheikh Saliou with a hadiya. Our number one goal is solving social cases. We make some donation to prisons and daras. We're looking forward to making bigger projects with the help of Sheikhul Khadim, inshallah. After 1 year and 7 months, we have a bureau in 25 areas. Each areas have a bureau, and there are 3,000 members. Every day we see more young, motivated, and determined Mourids join our foundation. If you want to join or want any information, you can contact Serigne Saliou's cell 771976910, or you can contact Jorin Ibulai 3933364646968. You can go look at our page on Instagram and Facebook. It's called Sope Serigne Saliou Foundation Les Salihous and Les Salihat. And you can also follow us on YouTube, Foundation Sope Serigne Saliou.